Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Another 2 days have gone by and I have sold a ton of stuff on Poshmark. So we're going to add it all up and see how much I earned. All right, so let's just get started. The first thing I have on my list are these cute pink children's shoes. I'm going to tell you exactly how much I paid for them, take that off the earnings, and then put that number up on the board. This is after shipping and after Poshmark fees. So these cute Champion new with tags athletic cushion fit sneakers, I earned $5.25. Those came out of a liquidation box for $1, and so $4.25 is how much I earned. How much my in-pocket profits are after I pay myself back for what it costs. My next item that I have is a J. Ferrar, I think that's how you say it, 60-inch silk tie, made in the USA. I got that from Goodwill Outlet. Probably paid about $1/4 for it because you buy everything by the weight at a Goodwill Outlet. $2.05 is what I paid for it. So $1.80 after I take my quarter away. The next thing I have is these awesome pair of, I call them duck boots, but they're basically winter thermalite lace-up boots that are waterproof, size 12. I paid $4 out of a liquidation box for those. $13.60 is what I earned, so $9.60 are my in-pocket profits. Then I have my awesome patriotic hats, which I have a ton for sale on my website, so check those out. I've also got them for sale here on Poshmark, obviously, because I sold one, but I've got green and gray and kind of a tan color and black. So these cost me $4, and then my earnings on that was $7.05, so $3.05 is what I got to profit from that hat. Then the next item I have is hiding down here. It's a pair of magnetic Minnie Mouse earrings. So I paid $1 for those, and $2.05 is what I earned, so $1.05 on those. And I know I have a bunch more Minnie Mouse earrings, and I've got some Mickey earrings. So they're really cute magnetic ones, so they're perfect for little girls who don't have pierced ears yet. Then I have, these are heavy duty, Laboratory 36 by 33 5-pocket pants. They're kind of a army green color. Those came from the Goodwill Outlet for 50 cents. $3.05 is what I paid for it. So $2.80 are my earnings, or my in-pocket profit on those. Then I sold this awesome Braveman double-breasted coat, size medium. This was $3 out of a liquidation box. $24 is what it sold for, so 21 whopping dollars is my profit on that one. So sometimes you got to sell the small stuff and you get the occasional large item. I'm super excited. All right, and my next set is a huge bundle, not huge, but 6 items. And so I've got this really cool Panama Safari black twill hat, and then I've got, let's see what else I got here. Then I've got these sneakers for $13, so I spent $2 on the hat, I spent $2 on the sneakers, so that's $4 total. And then I've got a pair of Charming Lady gold boots. Those are crazy looking, but awesome. I'm sure somebody can pull them off. Not me, they're not my style, but I know people that wear awesome styles like that and they can pull it off. So I got $4, these are $4 more, so that's $8 total, if I can grab a hold of the box. And then I've got, let me see. Then I have these capri pants. They're hot shaper pants. Those were another $1. So I'm up to for $9. Then I had, if you haven't seen it yet, I opened a box of costumes, and this is an amazing sushi costume that I actually put on and wore during one of my unboxings, so check that out. I'll try to tag it at the end of this video if I can find it. But that sushi costume was $2, so we're at $11 total for that one. And then we have this awesome backpack, which was another $2. And so we're at $13 total in that giant bundle. I love bundles because it seems like for whatever reason I make more money on them. So $13, I actually earned on all of those items $44. And so I have an in-pocket profit of, let me see, $31. No, wait, does that sound right? $31, yes. 13 minus 44. 31, yes, okay. Sorry, my steam might be rolling out of my ears after trying to do that math in my head. All right, then I have another bundle. This is a cute sweater that I paid $1 for. And then this cute skirt that I also paid $1 for. So $2 in that bundle, $7.25. That's easier math. $5.25 for that bundle is what my earnings are. Then I've got, what's next on this list? This is a really, really cute Aztec print peppermint size small V-neck tunic mini dress. There's a really, really pretty colors in it. That was 50 cents at the Goodwill outlet. And if you're wondering how I'm getting things for 50 cents, I'm going to the Goodwill outlet. It's different from a Goodwill store. So look them up online. They're very, very interesting and fun to go to. 50 cents. I earned $7.05. So that would make this $6.55 are my earnings. All right. Then I've got this cool hot shaper belt. It's basically you stick it around your waist and hopefully it makes you skinny. And so you've got this with the belt. And so that was $1 total for both of those, 50 cents a piece. $7.05 is what I earned. And so that would put me at $6.05 for my in-pocket profits on that one. Moving right along, we've got this cool plaid pair of shorts. 50 cents at the Goodwill outlet. $1.05 is what I earned on it. And so I've got 55 cents is what I earned. And sometimes with those things that I've had for quite a while, I'll just discount them to the point where I'll get them to sell, and now I don't have to share them anymore. So that was one of those items I'd had on there for a while. Now these are really fun slip-on slippers, kind of bedroom shoes with some jewels on them. $2 out of a liquidation box is what I spent. $7.25 is what I earned. So $5.25 are my in-pocket profits on those. And then I've got another pair of slippers that are very similar. They're a pair of green ones. They got crisscross design on them. Very, very fuzzy and fun. Those, I spent $2 out of a liquidation box, earned $9.05, so $7.05. These are all numbers after fees, after shipping. So this is actual money I get to keep after I pay myself back. Here's a Minecraft creeper backpack. I spent $3 out of a liquidation box for that one. $11.80 is what I earned, so $8.80 are my in-pocket profits on that one. Then I have, believe it or not, I sold 2 sweatshirts that have a sparkly menorah on it. And yes, it's April. So I sold them in April. Here's one there and one there. They both sold for the exact same price, but to 2 different people. And so I spent 50 cents on them. And $2.05 is what I earned. And so $1.55 for both of those. Then my next set is a pair of burgundy kind of bedroom shoes, just like the green ones. I got it backwards here. Just like the green ones, very, very soft and fuzzy. Those were $2 out of a liquidation box. $3.25 is what I earned. So $1.25 are my earnings on that one. Then I have a tie that I sold. This was about a quarter that I got from the Goodwill outlet. A quarter is what I paid for it. $2.25 is what I earned. So a total of $2 of profit on that one tie. Then I have a pair of loafers. They look just like this, really, really in good condition. $4 out of a liquidation box is what I spent on those men's loafers. $7.05 is what I earned. And so $3.05 is what I got for those pairs of shoes. The next item I have is a really, really pretty red jacket. It's very, very nice looking. And so that one I got from Goodwill Outlet for 50 cents. $3.05 is what I earned on that. So $2.55 are my earnings, or my in-pocket profit on that. And then I've got a pair of jeans here that are size 25 European size. I got these from the Goodwill Outlet, and then $1.05 is what I earned. And so I'm at 55 cents on those as well. Those I had for a long, long time, and they were kind of a small size, so I'm shocked that I even got that. Okay, the next thing I have is a bundle. So I've got this kind of boho style Jones New York top. And so I paid 50 cents for that. Then I've got this really nice, it's an Ashley Stewart kind of tunic dress, 50 cents for that as well. So I'm up to $1. This is a bundle of 5. Then I have this dress that came right out of my own closet that I don't wear anymore. And I think I wore it one time for a play I was in. And so that's up, so I'm still at $1 because that was one of my own items. And then this yellow cute top, 50 cents for that. And then this kind of pink, peachish colored top, another 50 cents. So I'm total investment of $2. My earnings, you know I love my bundles. My earnings were 24, so $22. See why I love bundles? Because the customer gets a really good rate on bundles, and then I get really good earnings on bundles. So if you want to buy on Poshmark, buy bundles because it helps both sides. Then I've got a green sweater here. Got from the Goodwill outlet, 50 cents, $2.05 is what I earned, so $1.55 are my in-pocket profits on that. Almost done here, we just got a few more. And then I've got a pair of blue Calvin Klein jeans, size 12 shorts. $2.05 is what I earned, 50 cents is what I paid for it, so another $1.55. And then I've got these awesome lobster duck boots. Size 11, and they were $4 out of a liquidation box. And then I earned $8.25, so $4.25 were my profits on that, or in-pocket profits on that. And I believe that is the very last thing that I've got. So what I'm going to do is add up how many orders I have and how much it actually comes to. And remember, this is after fees and after shipping, and after I pay myself back for what it costs to even get these items to put on Poshmark. So we'll see what my total actual profit is. All right, I've got everything added up, and it came to $155.90 for 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark, and it ended up being 26 total orders. More items than that because of the bundles, but 26 separate shipments that I will make tonight. So see, you can make money every 2 days on Poshmark. Hope this has been helpful to see what I sold on Poshmark these last 2 days. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.